words are lost on me. It's taking everything.
See the beautiful lights. Guys, look at how beautiful this is. This speaks luxury. Beautiful. No, no, no,
I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose you.
I like this place. Hey guys, I did not plan to film, right? But I'm almost done. And I said that I can actually film this now, since I'll be filming the other videos much later, like you've seen in this video. So I woke up early this morning and I'm going to say French. And I decided that okay, I have some plantains at home. Let me make some plantain chips, some homemade plantain chips, and give it to my friend when I get to her place. So that's what I'm currently doing, as you can see. I'm almost done. I didn't start from the beginning. I just was about filming now. That's why you see this video now. Guys, so my plantain chips is ready. I have one already here, and I have this looking. Oh, do not nonsense. Be fired. Is that Williams? Oh.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
Please. Oh, yeah. Hello, hello, 1 2 1 2. See my friend, the latest ladies. See her. See her. Show me. I'm not the one to do voiceover. She's the one big content. See now. Really? How are you? Eh? Oh, okay. Yeah, no. See now, see. Oh, I like this place. Small place for husband and wife to relax, enjoy nice time. Just go downstairs. This is nice. This is nice. Don't show me, because I be like. I don't get it. I don't want my camera. I don't. See everywhere. It's a beautiful environment here, guys. It's a beautiful environment. I'm tapping into my friend's blessing. I'm tapping into my friend's blessing. I'm tapping into my friend's blessing. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful. Please leave a comment and tell my friend congratulations. Congratulations to my beautiful friend. Please, 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 please. See the beautiful lights. Guys, look at how beautiful this is. This speaks luxury. Beautiful. Yeah, I love this. Well done to the flying. My friend has started to stress me. I'm in a kitchen cooking now. See her, come and see her. Please let me show
No,
you.
but see, no, it's fine.
It's fine. So my friend's kitchen now. I'm about to prepare jollof rice. I'm supposed to do a live video, but I'm not going to do a live video because I'll be talking, I'm saying some things and you guys will not want to. I won't want you guys to hear some of my conversations, right? So let's go right into cooking jollof rice. The kitchen lover vibe right now. See me vibe. Now.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you,
How fast?
And I don't know my style in the sea for India. Just don't be.
Because it's our investment.
You don't know, you don't see na big, you don't dey old. Agbatinde.
How fine, ma?
no, I can't run a time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it.
Fine, I'm doing great. How are you?
But if I'm gonna lose you, walking on.
Doing it here. But
I used to envy your stature. Like your stature.
Not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna
I'm the friend of the person I spoke with.
I'm the cook. I'm the friend of yours, Yeah, are you feeling it? Jollof rice is ready.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you
What are the things you like to do? What are the things? Ah, should I put my whole shirt? What are the things you like to do?
but if I'm gonna lose you,
Oh, the aroma of the fish is giving me life. Oh. Honestly, 55 before. Where is the meal? Very sensitive. Everybody they cook for social media. They cook for social media.
walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna
You finished it, Abby? You finished it?
Thank you.
I'm going to wear your princess clothes. It's going to fit me. It won't fit me. Why? Why?
The other condition
One for the master, one for the film, one for the black, black, black. Have you any wool? Yes, I guess so.
One for the master. Give me a bite. On for the three. One for the two. One, three, follow. Yeah. Yes,
Baby shark doo doo doo, baby shark doo doo, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo doo doo,
Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Daddy shark.
daddy shark.
Give me another song. Give me another song.
That's it. That's it.
Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I look